DNS sounds complicated, right? But let's make it simple. Think of DNS as the phone book of the internet. It connects names like google.com to IP addresses. Most people know A and C name records, but here are some advanced ones you should know. MX record tells the internet where your email should go, like a postal address. TXT record holds text for things like email verification, your domain's sticky notes. SRV record definitions which server runs special services like VoIP, plus its port. NS record points to the official name servers for your domain. PTR record, reverse of an A record, maps IPs back to domain names, important for email spam checks. CAA record controls which companies can issue SSL certificates for you, like a bouncer at the door. Why care? Because the right DNS setup keeps your emails out of spam, secures your website, and makes everything run smoothly. And that's DNS Advanced Records simplified. If this helped, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech made easy.